Thank you for joining this presentation. This is Chandira Kandaswamy from Capgemini working for LPL. This presentation is a proof of concept about QA Sync tool. QA Sync is a release management activity to deploy the releases from production to QA environments. The current method is based on the release plan. Deployment QA is triggered manually in the Octopus deploy tool. The proposal is to design a tool that reads the release plan and triggers deployment. It is more like an bulk deployment. We are going to have a look about the concept, but the next steps is based on release management team's interest and DevOps team's approval and assistance. This concept can be integrated into Octopus Scheduler. Let's go to the tool. The first step is to select the any extract of the release plan. We are going to see that in Excel. Let me trigger deploy and discuss about the rest of the concepts while it is deploying. So I'm triggering the deploy. So this is an extract of an release plan. So we have the projects displayed here and the version and the target environments we want to deploy. We also having options such as force, deploy and guided failure. These are the options provided by the Octopus. We are just passing these as parameters, so based on the value deployment will be executed on that fashion. So here we can see the deployment of this project is completed here in QA F1. It is completed, the webmail has been completed in QA F1 and the rest of the projects are deployment is in progress, and this deployment failed for some reasons. On clicking here, it will take us to the report sheet where we can see what is the reason of the failure. So this way, if we have more tens of projects, then on a single click we can initiate the deployment and we can review the result on a single window. We can also provide options to export the result so that it can be integrated back to the release plan, and also options like triggering email once the deployment is completed. So those kind of options can be also explored and implemented. So here is the link we got it while clicked here, and here we can see what is the reason and further action can be taken. Thanks a lot for your time. For your questions, please reach out to Rajeshwar Rao or Chandira Kandaswamy.